Hey guys, it's Annie here. Today we are making onigiri. Onigiri is a Japanese rice ball and it's usually formed into a triangle shape or a cylinder shape and it's wrapped in nori. It's super easy to make and you can make it ahead of time and take it for breakfast or a to-go lunch. So you're going to use 3 cups of cooked rice, which is also a cup of uncooked rice. And I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And you're going to mix this really well until everything is coated in soy sauce. To make the tuna filling, you will need 1 can of tuna, and I use the Kirkland brand so it's larger than normal, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sriracha mayo, and I eyeball everything here so it doesn't have to be exact, it is to taste, and some black pepper. Mix this really well and set it aside until we need it. I'm going to show you how to make onigiri in 2 ways with 2 different types of nori. The first type is just roasted seaweed. It comes in a package already cut into half-sized nori sheets. And I'm going to start off with a layer of rice seasoning. So you're basically making a rice ball with some tuna filling on the inside. So you're going to start off with some rice on the bottom, put in a little bit of the tuna filling, and then top it off with more rice. Sprinkle on some more rice seasoning, it kind of gives it a nice crunch, and you want to compress it in the mold and then unmold it. And now you can just wrap it up and enjoy right away. The second type of nori we're going to use is covered in plastic. You can purchase these online on Amazon and it's fairly cheap. But the whole purpose of the plastic is to keep the nori really fresh and crunchy so you can take it on the go with you or take it for lunch. And there is a specific purpose for the rice seasoning here. It makes it so that the rice doesn't stick to the plastic wrap, so when you're unwrapping it, it's not stuck. Which is something I kind of learned the hard way. Follow all the same steps to make onigiri with this type of nori, and you're just going to unmold it, wrap it in this nori wrapper, and put a little sticker on it to keep everything in place. These onigiris will last in the fridge for up to 2 days for whenever you want a quick snack or if you just want it for breakfast. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel for future DIY and cooking videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.